In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Zapier. If you're looking to automate some of your workflows and streamline how you handle form submissions, then integrating Paperform with Zapier might just be the solution you need. So let's dive right in and create that automation magic together. First things first, we need to create a new Zap. Head on over to your Zapier dashboard and look for the button that says Create Zap. Clicking this is your gateway to starting the process. Once you're in, you'll need to set your trigger application to Paperform. The specific trigger event you want is described as New Form Submission. This means you'll be setting up your Zap to kick into action every time you receive a new form submission through Paperform. In case you haven't linked your Paperform account to Zapier yet, you'll be asked to authorize access. Just follow the prompts, it's quite straightforward. Once authorized, your account should be visible for selection. Next up, it's time to choose the Paperform form you want to connect to Zapier. You can select from any form you currently have published on your Paperform account. After selecting the desired form, it's important to test this trigger. Testing ensures that Zapier can detect the most recent submission from this form. This step helps confirm that everything is wired correctly from the outset. If the form data appears as expected in Zapier, then you know you're good to go. Now we move on to setting up the action. This is where things get more exciting as the possibilities are vast. Choose the app you want the information from your form submission to connect to. Whether it's Airtable, Google Sheets, Slack, or email, Zapier has a plethora of integrations. After choosing your target application, map the fields from your Paperform to those in the chosen app. This field mapping ensures that data flows seamlessly from Paperform into your target application, allowing you to customize what information goes where. Finally, let's put your setup to the test. Submit a test form through Paperform and watch Zapier come to life as it automatically carries out the action you've configured. Monitor this process to make sure everything is functioning just as you planned. This is a critical step to ensure reliability in the future. Once you're certain that all is working perfectly, go ahead and turn on your Zap. You've just activated your automation, paving the way for smoother and more efficient data handling. And there you have it. You successfully connected Paperform to Zapier, enabling a powerful automation that will save you time and effort. This kind of integration can really streamline your workflow, letting you focus more on what's important. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.